Hi everyone and good morning. I am back with our spot prize giveaway fun game, and Charlie's here to help. As you can see, you'll have to excuse me because I do have a bit of a cold, so I have been sniffing a lot. I'm feeling a bit sorry for myself, but never mind. The lemsip hasn't kicked in yet, so I wanted to do this video early on, and then we have another spot prize giveaway fun game to play. Now Charles has decided to sit right on top of everything as normal, so can you get off just for a minute, mister? Right, I have good news. We do have stop that with your teeth. Excuse me, will you stop being a monkey? Are you being a monkey? Come on, I need to get on with this. Always the way when one wants to get on, he's going to put his bottom in full view. Stop it. Okay, we have good news. My clue obviously worked yesterday, and we do have a winner. So our number one was indeed How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, and I confess I have probably watched that film, I don't know, probably about 30 times. Love Matthew McConaughey in it, and I just think he's wonderful. Oh my gosh, my nose is running. I do apologise. So I absolutely love that film, and that is probably the film that I've watched the most. So we did have a lot of you say that film, but the first person to say that film was Seri. I hope I've pronounced your name right. It's C-E-R-I. So well done, honey. If you can email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com, it is in the description below. I will post these things off to you. So let me just get a envelope to just pop these in. And he added quite a few more things to the prize this week because it took a little bit longer to get a winner. But well done, honey. That means more goodies are coming on their way to you. Let me just pop your... Oh my goodness me, where is my pen gone? Let me just put Seri. So that's, you are the winner. Pop that in there, and we do have this second prize, which I've still got quite a few goodies in there. All I'm left to do, let me just pop them in, pop them over there, and I have a bowl here. Oh, pop those there, and oh goodness me, oh please stop those, please stop. I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry everybody. So we have Sally Crafter, your name is going in the pot. I fold these up nicely. We have Christine Mortimer, who said Pretty Woman. Oh, Sally Crafter, you have two in there. We have Arlene Solly with Mrs. Doubtfire. We have Joanne Sanderson with Dirty Dancing. This has been a real fun one. I've got an even better one this week for you. We have It's My Playhouse with Magic Mike. Oh my days. How could we have not put that in? And then we have Jackie McFall with Bridget Jones. Okay. We have Mrs. Stationery and Stuff with Notting Hill. Had some really good answers and some really cheeky ones as well. Joanne. Yes, you know what I'm on about. Tracy Dale, we have The Holiday. And yes, I do think Jude Law is delish. But I think for me, the one in that film would have been Jack Black. Right, we have Christine's Cards and Things, The Sound of Music. Can't I have both of them? Do I have to choose? Right, we have AGCA, My Best Friend's Wedding. Dermot Mulroney. Oh, isn't he just gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I think I have a problem. Oh, I forgot to tell you as well. The other answers on the thing. Oh, let me put these in first. Seri, the wedding planner, of course. Matthew McConaughey again. And then we have Pinky Noble with Titanic. And let me just... I forgot to tell you the other answers, didn't I? How silly am I? Where is it now? Where did I put it? Oh. Right, yes, the other answers were P.S. I Love You and The Count of Monte Cristo and You've Got Mail. How could you forget You've Got Mail? That's on there because when I pulled that off before, it took the answer off with it. It's The Count of Monte Cristo, You've Got Mail, and P.S. I Love You. Right, okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Give these a quick swirly, swirly, swirly. Right, I'm going to close my eyes. Oh, I lost it. There you go. Right, let us see who has won the second prize. It is Arlene Solly with Mrs. Doubtfire. So, Arlene, if you could send me your name, your address details at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com. I will pop them in the post to you. Keep watching out today because I do have a really fun giveaway that's going to be happening, and it is really going to be a lot of fun. Let me just pop these in here, otherwise I forget who's won what. Pop those in there and put Arlene's. I'll just pop that in there actually, that'd be easier, wouldn't it? There you go. Thank you to everyone that has took part. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness. I am having a catastrophe today. So thank you to everyone who has, get in there, taken part with this giveaway. It's been so much fun, and keep your eye out for the next one. Hey Charles. Yes, we're going to have lots of fun, aren't we? Yes, we are. And I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.